Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to Animation's Capstone week 9. We're almost there. A lot of cool stuff. So I figure we get to talk about it. We've gotten to the point now where we're starting to build the whole project, and now we're going to see it from with some examples and everything. I thought I'd get into it and really talk about distribution and how that's going to really be a thing. And we're going to talk about a lot about distribution this week and how to really get your video out there. And that's what's really important. So we're going to talk about what is distribution, the differences in distribution with demo reels, what methods we can look at, and the pros and cons of each method. But overall, distribution is just the action of sharing something out among several recipients. Overall, it's really just getting your product out there, work, service, system, out to everybody, and how to find it easily. That's really the biggest aspect about that. Other than that, we'll talk about some questions that you need to ask yourself in distribution before you start getting it out there, and how they're going to be important with that. And we'll focus on that in class as well. So we're going to talk about each one of these, and we'll go into detail about who's viewing this, where does the video need to go, how can people view this easily, and what are there some ways we can send this out through the original channels. And that's what's really important. Other than that, that's all I got. So just a real quick intro to distribution. That's what we're going to be focusing on this week. Do keep in mind we have lecture, same time as always, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, and that's all I got. No discussion this week. Cool thing there. Just the assignment, and that's all I got. All right, everybody, be safe, have fun, enjoy. I hope everyone has a great week. Hope to see everybody for lecture tomorrow, and take it easy. All right, bye-bye.